Welcome to the HappyNest Pacific Beach. This is the condo. Every guest gets their own unique entry code for the door. Here's the entryway. There are beach towels and beach blankets in here. Here's the first primary bedroom. Queen size bed with a desk for working from home. Full-size closet, plenty of space to hang and store your clothing. There's also a full-size dresser. And then a full bathroom with a full-size bathtub, separate toilet area, and the sink. There's drawers if you want to store your items here during your stay. And here are the stairs up to the main living area. There's a baby gate in case you have small children that you don't want them going up and down the stairs alone. There's a bookshelf with games and toys and a book with some items about information about the house and the surrounding area. Here's the kitchen. I left the door open so you can hear some of the noise from the street, but it's really pretty quiet. There's a bar area with some cabinets for more storing items, a mini fridge for beverages, a Nespresso. This one takes the original Nespresso pods. The kitchen with newer appliances, toaster, coffee. This is a standard coffee machine and a coffee bean grinder. There are also all of the cooking and baking items you should need. There's baking dishes, there's some storage containers, several pots and pans. The majority are all stainless steel. I think there's only one that's not stainless steel. All dishes and glasses, and many other items in the other cabinets. The dining table opens up. There's a hidden leaf in the center. You unlatch from underneath to expand to seat 8 people comfortably. There are extra stools here that are the right bar height for the table. There's new leather sofa and love seat. Gas fireplace. It turns on with the switch. This is a smart TV. So you can connect to any of your accounts for watching your own shows that you like. Here's a second floor bedroom. There's a full size and twin size bed here. And also more storage here for linens or clothing. There's some hanging space in the back of this mirror to hang some clothes and some hooks up there. And this dresser is empty as well. I'll close the door so you can notice the sound difference. Very quiet. Here's the half bath on the second floor. And here is the washer and dryer, full-size washer dryer, and an iron in here. The ironing board is in the first floor closet. And we'll go upstairs and check out the third bedroom, the second primary bedroom. Vacuum and mops and things are in here if you're staying for an extended stay or you want to clean up a mess. There's all these. Oh, here's the ironing board in the second floor closet. And upstairs to the third bedroom. There's also a queen size bedroom in here and a desk if you're working from home. So 2 people can work separately, 3rd floor and 1st floor, very quiet. And a 3rd or more people can work on the 2nd floor, either at the dining table or at that table in the 2nd floor bedroom. And here's another full-size bathroom with a full-size tub. And then we'll head back downstairs. Oh, there's also a full closet and a full dresser. These are empty. So now we'll head back to the 2nd floor and we'll go outside to the barbecue area and check out the top patio. So here's the barbecue. It has propane. We'll provide propane for the beginning of your stay, but if you run out, feel free to fill it up. There's gas stations nearby that will refill for you. And up the stairs, you can see the panoramic city views. So here's the patio. There's seating space, another gas fireplace. There's instructions to turn it on and off in the manual. Please make sure that you do completely close the gas and turn it off when you're finished. And here's the bay. And the ocean. And this is looking north, the La Jolla Hills, and then inland here. During 4th of July and New Year's Eve, there's panoramic fireworks. And over here is SeaWorld over by the bay. And in the summer, they usually have nightly fireworks around either 7:50 or 8:50. Take a look at their website for when they're doing the fireworks to make sure you don't miss it. It's a quick 5-minute show, but it's so spectacular to see. And that's the Happy Nest. We hope you enjoy. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions at all.